Welcome to my channel. Today we will be exploring new technologies that can revolutionize our lives. Humanoid robots. The world of humanoid robots, machines designed to look and behave like humans. They are rapidly evolving, improving in movement, balance, and artificial intelligence. Let's take a look at some of the latest developments and see what the future holds. So, what makes a robot humanoid? It's a robot with human-like features, head, torso, arms, and legs, that can interact with its environment. What's exciting is how much they've improved. Here's what stands out. Humanoid robots are getting better at moving like humans. Innovations in robotics mean these machines can balance and coordinate much more smoothly. Robots like Boston Dynamics Atlas can now do backflips, cartwheels, and even parkour. This is crucial for navigating complex spaces. Artificial intelligence is a major driver in humanoid robot development. Robots like Sophia and Amika use AI to recognize faces, respond to speech, and hold conversations. They understand language, enabling more human-like interactions. A key feature of humanoid robots is their ability to interact with humans. Amika, for instance, has an expressive face that shows a range of emotions. This makes them engaging and opens up opportunities in customer service, education, and entertainment. Humanoid robots could transform healthcare, assisting with patient care, providing companionship to the elderly, and even helping with rehab. This could lighten the load for healthcare workers and improve patient care. Humanoid robots could be lifesavers in disaster response. Their human-like structure and AI capabilities make them ideal for search and rescue, such as entering collapsed buildings to find survivors or deliver supplies during emergencies. In the future, humanoid robots might become part of our daily lives, helping with chores, office work, and even personal assistance. This could change how we live and work by automating many tasks. Space tourism. If you've ever dreamed of going to space, your dream might not be as far-fetched as it once seemed. Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are offering regular people the chance to experience the thrill of suborbital flights. Let's break down the latest advancements and see what's coming in the future. Space tourism is no longer science fiction. It's a reality. Let's explore what's happening right now in this incredible field. Space tourism allows ordinary people to experience the wonder of space without years of astronaut training. Companies like Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic are leading the way, offering suborbital flights where passengers can experience weightlessness and view Earth from space. These flights typically reach an altitude where passengers can float and see the curvature of the Earth. Blue Origin's New Shepard rocket and Virgin Galactic's VSS Unity spacecraft are designed specifically for suborbital tourism. Passengers are launched to the edge of space, where they can enjoy a few minutes of weightlessness and gaze at the stunning views of Earth from above. The flights are designed to be safe and relatively short, making them accessible to a wider audience. One of the coolest parts of space tourism is the experience of weightlessness. As the spacecraft reaches its peak altitude, gravity's pull weakens, allowing passengers to float freely within the cabin. This is a once-in-a-lifetime experience that many people find exhilarating. It's like being on a giant roller coaster in space. So, what's next for space tourism? The possibilities are truly out of this world. Here's what we can expect in the coming years. While current space tourism is limited to suborbital flights, future developments could include full orbital trips. This would allow passengers to orbit Earth and spend more time in space. Companies are also considering building space hotels, where tourists could stay for an extended period, experiencing life in microgravity. Lunar tourism might sound like something from a sci-fi movie, but it's becoming more plausible. SpaceX and other companies are working on plans to send tourists to the moon. This would be a major leap for space tourism, allowing people to walk on the lunar surface and explore a whole new world. Space tourism has the potential to transform space exploration by creating a new market and driving innovation. As more people travel to space, there's an opportunity to develop new technologies that could eventually lead to interplanetary travel. This could be the beginning of a new era in human exploration and colonization of other planets. Space tourism is an exciting and rapidly evolving field. From suborbital flights to future plans for orbital hotels and lunar tourism, we're on the brink of a new age in space exploration. Starlink satellites and internet. Starlink is designed to provide high-speed internet connectivity all over the world, even in remote or underserved areas. Let's take a look at what's happening with Starlink right now and where it's headed in the future. Starlink has already made significant progress since its launch. The concept is simple yet revolutionary. Using a constellation of low Earth orbit satellites to deliver internet access to just about anywhere on the planet. Let's break down some of the key advancements. Starlink is designed to offer internet coverage on a global scale. Unlike traditional satellite internet services, which rely on a few large satellites in high orbits, Starlink uses thousands of smaller satellites in low Earth orbit. This allows for reduced latency and improved speeds, making it more suitable for activities like online gaming and video conferencing. One of the coolest features of Starlink is its use of laser links for data transmission between satellites. This means that information can travel between satellites in space without needing to go back down to Earth. The result? Faster and more reliable internet, even in remote locations. Tests have shown impressive download speeds, which continue to improve as more satellites are added to the network. Starlink's hardware is designed to be simple to set up. The Starlink kit comes with a satellite dish, a mounting tripod, and a Wi-Fi router. Users can set it up themselves, and the dish automatically aligns to get the best signal. This ease of use has contributed to its popularity among users in rural and remote areas. Starlink's current advancements are impressive, but the future looks even more exciting. Here are some of the most significant developments on the horizon. SpaceX plans to continue launching satellites to expand Starlink's coverage, aiming for truly global service. This includes reaching polar regions, which have traditionally been difficult to cover with traditional satellite systems. Once this is achieved, Starlink could become the go-to internet service for travelers, remote workers, and anyone in hard-to-reach areas. As SpaceX pursues its ambitious plans for space colonization, Starlink could play a critical role in providing communication and data connectivity for missions to the Moon and Mars. This could lead to a whole new era of space exploration, with Starlink serving as the backbone of interplanetary communication. Starlink is changing the game for satellite internet, offering high-speed connectivity in places that were previously off-limits. With its current advancements and future developments, it could redefine how we think about internet access, both on Earth and in space. Solid-state batteries. Solid-state batteries are gaining attention for replacing liquid or gel electrolytes in lithium-ion batteries with solid materials, offering a range of benefits. First, they're safer. Traditional lithium-ion batteries can leak, catch fire, or even explode due to their liquid electrolytes. Solid-state batteries are more stable and less prone to these risks, making them ideal for electric vehicles and portable electronics. They also offer higher energy density, meaning they can store more energy in the same amount of space. This leads to longer battery life for devices and greater range for electric vehicles. Plus, they generally charge faster, which is great news for anyone tired of waiting for their phone to charge or needing a quick recharge on a long road trip. The automotive industry is particularly interested in solid-state batteries for their potential to revolutionize electric vehicles. The improved energy density and charging speed could allow electric vehicles to travel farther and charge faster. In consumer electronics, solid-state batteries could lead to thinner, lighter devices with longer battery life. Looking to the future, solid-state batteries could drive the widespread adoption of electric vehicles, contributing to sustainability by reducing carbon emissions. They could also play a key role in renewable energy storage, helping to store energy from solar and wind sources more safely and efficiently. This would be a game changer for integrating renewable energy into the grid. In the realm of consumer electronics, solid-state batteries could inspire new product designs and features. Imagine a smartphone that lasts days on a single charge, or a laptop that can go an entire work week without needing to plug in. Overall, solid-state batteries are set to transform how we store and use energy. With their improved safety, higher energy density, and faster charging, it's no wonder there's so much excitement about this technology.